That's okay. We probably have more Diet Coke than fucking water in America.
Tranquil Forest. Oh, do you have Forest Gump where you're from?
I think so.
Oh, five.
One more at least. I don't know about the other game. Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck.
Actually, what is he doing? What is he doing? He's brain dead.
I brought up on some shit where it's
Fountain. A lot of bodies.
He's fucking
Nice.
shit.
Good job.
That's what we call a hold.
Yeah, bro. They couldn't get past the walls of Jericho. I'll tell you what. Don't put me in this situation, boys.
Never seen you lose these, kid.
It's true. Very true. Oh man.
The actual decision.
His bomb.
I don't know.
That's
I thought
so
I'm gonna phase the smoke and be so good. You know?
Stuck on your nuts.
He realized he hit you.
Watch it.
Oh, I whiffed. Not there.
Okay.
Spit.
I really blinded him, didn't I? Correct.
Bait some? Player with 0 frames too. looking for it. I cannot hit anything! Yep, it is. Yeah, I'm low, so you flash from me. Don't be. Okay. Get on off. Get on. Nope. Delayed.
Fuck. You're wrecking these guys. Keep it up. Hey, look at
I don't
you.
think to use 7 and 3 we're gonna.
Don't talk to me.
Hello?
I'm
What's up?
sorry, Blue.
It's okay, my bad. I shouldn't have done that.
You shouldn't have, honestly.
It's not bad. It's
That's
not
a
bad.
big
It's not
boy
bad.
right there.
Yes, yes. You know,
Yeah, I do. One cross boiler.
I'm dead.
Oh,
What? What a shot
Let's go
by the American prodigy.
yeah, don't steal my kills.
I got it. Good play.
wood wall.
Shit!
Middle. White box in the middle.
That's inside.
This guy's
One's
on
white
site, on
side.
site.
Oh,
Sorry.
And
this game is making me depressed, man. I don't want to do this.